Good morning, students. The topic that we are going to do today is paragraph writing. Paragraphs are a part of the text that we have to compose from time to time. But when we are writing a single paragraph, there are various things that need to be remembered. A paragraph is a group of sentences which are related to a particular topic. It should focus on a single idea. It is a series of sentences written one after the other, organized in a particular way, in an understandable way, and they are related to a single body, a single topic. The paragraph can contain different types of information. It may contain some examples, long illustrations on a particular point. It might describe a place, a character, narrate various events, a series of events, compare and contrast two or more things, classify some items in a category, or it may describe the cause and effect. Now let's move on to the characteristics or the features of a paragraph. The paragraph should have unity. It begins with the topic sentence. Every paragraph has a single controlling idea which is expressed in the topic. That is the first sentence of the paragraph. The paragraph is unified or around the main idea. It has various supporting sentences which provide all the details, all the discussion, and the topic sentence is based on the theme of the paragraph. The next characteristic is the order. The order is the manner in which you organize all the supporting sentences of the paragraph. It's up to you whether you choose a chronological order or the order of importance or some kind of logical presentation of the details. A complete paragraph has a proper organization. It is well ordered so that there is no confusion. The next is coherence. Now, coherence, it is what makes your writing understandable. Coherence means understanding. Now, sentences which are there in the paragraph, they need to be connected to each other and they need to work together as a complete whole. One of the best ways in which you can get this is by using transition words like something happened, then this happened, or firstly, secondly, thirdly, above, below, furthermore, moreover, in addition to, in fact. So these are all connectors, linking words. So you can keep on joining the sentences in the paragraph with the help of these linking words. The next characteristic is completeness. When all the sentences have been clearly stated and they support the main idea of the paragraph, then only your paragraph can be considered to be complete. Generally, there are three supporting sentences after the topic sentence and a concluding sentence. These three supporting sentences can be more than three also. Basically or minimally, we can say that there can be three to complete the paragraph. The concluding sentence, that is the last sentence of the paragraph, it should summarize the main idea of the paragraph. Now let's talk about the parts of a paragraph. The first part is the topic sentence, and it is very important. It should give an overall idea of the theme of the paragraph or what the content of the paragraph is all about. It is same as an essay giving an introduction, or you can say in the essay also we can use a topic sentence or a starting paragraph in which you tell what the essay is about. All the sentences which follow the topic sentence will contribute to it. Then comes the supporting sentences which follow the topic sentence. They must lead logically to the concluding sentence. So that means that the supporting sentence should follow a proper order. We can again choose chronological order. In the order of importance we can put them. Each successive sentence should relate to the other in a logical manner. And all the sentences should be related to the theme of the particular paragraph that you are writing. Then comes the concluding sentence. It should support the introductory sentence. It should acknowledge whatever you have discussed in the supporting sentence. And then finally, it should help the reader to find out the supporting information and how it relates to the topic. So the conclusion should be given at the end of the paragraph to give an idea about the topic as well as the supporting sentences. Now, what are the steps to write a paragraph? The first is pre-writing, that is, before writing what you should do. In this, we should collect all the details related to the topic. We can even jot down the points. After we have gathered the data, the points can be organized in a proper manner, and then we can also decide what will be the flow of our writing, how we will logically arrange our sentences. Then the second step is writing the paragraph. Now, when you're writing the paragraph, first of all, choose what your topic sentence should be. It is very important because it gives the idea what is there in the paragraph. Then this should be followed by the supporting sentences that will convey all the details, all the information and the ideas which are related to the central idea that is given in the topic sentence. These can be maybe 3 or 4 sentences or more, so that the readers can get the complete details and information about what you're writing in the paragraph. Then we move on to the concluding sentence. This is the last sentence of the paragraph, and it should show whatever you have written in the paragraph in a single sentence, and it should also relate to the topic sentence. Finally, after these 3 parts, we move on to these 2 parts, we move on to the third part, that is reviewing the paragraph. This is also an important step because here we check everything. That is the spellings, the grammar, the flow of information, the logical sequence of the sentences. The language should be very simple and understandable. Too many details should not be given. It is similar to editing the details of the paragraph. And then we can make the final draft of the paragraph. Here is a sample paragraph for you people. It is on education and it is written in about 100 words. So this is how the paragraph can be written. You can go through it. Now I have also given you some topics for practice. A memorable journey, importance of discipline in life. Suppose you are writing about a memorable journey. In the topic sentence, you can mention that there are certain journeys which can never be erased from our memories. And I also went for such a journey. And then in the supporting sentences, you can mention what all happened in that journey, why was it memorable, and finally you can conclude with just a revision of what you have given in the topic as well as a supporting sentence that this journey will never be forgotten by me. So that is how you can deal with the topics. So please practice these topics that I have given you so that you can get an idea of how a paragraph has to be written. Thank you very much.